Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, February 21st. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. Whoa, wow. Interesting day. We went from one of our smallest ranges to almost getting into one of our largest ones. It falls in between both. We're not. Volume very light. NQ attempted to go trend down twice today, failed. And then what happened? Basically, how I'm seeing it is the market, after the Fed minutes came out, indecision in J, then they made up their mind to try to push and go short. As you notice, we never could go trend, so more and more shorts were getting trapped. Now, NQ was trend, and I made some decent money on shorts in K&L, but eventually they took them back. And then, considering NVIDIA's earnings are out this afternoon, I just think you ripped apart the shorts and obviously got fueled by some momentum buyers. M's range is just under $3, $2.96. Still balanced for us, as far as I'm concerned, in both the weekly and the daily. And what's more impressive about this run-up, we had a vacuum below us. Our next target was the weekly low in ES, right, when we reversed this. We bounced off the 20-day moving average. NQ got close to an afternoon pullback low from February 1st, didn't get it when they reversed. Righty goes out with a 10-wide POC and the day's high and low. We go out. I'm not using B's high and NQ only because it didn't get that far enough away, M. So I'm not using it as a base of a price probe. I'm certainly using D, though, in ES. So NQ goes out to day's high and low in a 10-wide POC. That's wrong. I'm in bigger increments. I have to fix that. It's 10 wide. We go out with a price probe at D's high. In fact, I didn't mark that, so let's mark it as we're speaking. So we go out with a price probe in ES and in SPY. And we go out with an 11-wide POC that is a downside destination. I had a good day. A majority of it was in NQ. NQ acted worse earlier. Throughout the day it acted worse until obviously this nonsense in M. Took a short in A period. Nice ebb and flow shorts against both the opening and the 144 that we were staying below in NQ, which paid me nicely. I took a short in B period when ES popped A's high. Did not think we were going to go trend with overlapping lower value and Fed minutes out. And so that was worked out nice. C period. Turned out to be nice ebb and flow shorts in NQ below the opening and the 144. ES did the same trade. Took the short, saying we're not going trend. It did not. Got paid on that. ES had taken out both sides of the IB, and they took out both sides of the day's range twice. You realize our entire range is L and M period. All right? Not so much NQ. K was their low. But I then flipped long in NQ in F period because I didn't think we would hold trend, and we did not. That paid. Guess what? Did the same thing in H. This is all before the Fed minutes are coming out. I'm like, I don't think they're going to go trend prior either to the upside or downside. So that's why I was fading those new highs in ES and the new lows in NQ. Then in K period, things changed. I started shorting K and L period in NQ because of the single prints. Once they filled, that was over. I did take one short in M against the opening NQ that I got paid on. Second time up there, I said, no way. And then, obviously, we both went out and probed. The earnings, I think, come out at 420 in NQ. And that was it. So good day overall. Upside in SPY today is 497.37. And then our downside is the price probe. D's high at 496.30, 11-wide pocket 495.51, and today's low of 493.56. For ES, our high is 98.25. Our price probe is 87. Our 11-wide pocket is 78.75. Almost got raised, by the way, because half back could have raised right above it. And our low is 59. And then on the chart, so again, the monthly's up. The weekly is still up for SPY. Okay? We never took out the previous week's low last week. We have an inside week 2 days into it. All right, now NES is already in a 2-week balance, and this is the beginning of the 3rd week balance. So it's going to be interesting if they do take out and go down in the ES or back to up. And the daily, again, I am calling this balance, a whole thing balance. All-time high is the balance high. CPI low is the balance low. We came below the 20 today, closed above it. Again, one day does not make a market, so it's not that big a factor to me whether we closed above it or below it. Volume stunk, 52 million. So unless we do some good volume up until 8 o'clock after NVDA earnings and SPY, we should be in the top 10 lightest volumes of the year. Hope you had a great day trading. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.